Hello, my amazing learners, and welcome back to the Wisdom English podcast. My name is Sarah. I know that feeling. You've been studying English for months, maybe even years. You know the grammar, you've memorized thousands of words. But every time you open your mouth to speak in a real situation, your brain freezes, your tongue gets stuck, and what comes out sounds terrible. You're lost in a new city, someone gives you directions, but your mind goes blank. Today, that changes forever. In this episode, you'll master 30 essential direction phrases. And make sure you stay with me until the very end, because I'll reveal the simple secret that will make you feel confident in any conversation. Today, we'll learn 30 essential phrases, then practice them in a real conversation. Remember our new method. First, we will learn and understand each phrase one by one. Then, we will have an intensive shadowing practice session. Ready? Let's start. Part 1. How to ask for directions. This first section is all about how to ask for help when you are lost. These are real-life questions that every traveler needs. We will go through them one by one first to understand them. Please repeat after me in the pause. Excuse me, where's the bank? Excuse me is a very polite and important phrase to use to get a stranger's attention before you ask a question. Where is the simplest and most direct way to ask for a location. You can replace the bank with any place you are looking for. Could you tell me where the hospital is? This is a slightly more formal and polite way to ask the same question. Using "could you tell me" softens the question and makes it sound very respectful. Notice the word order here. Where the hospital is. Is there a pharmacy around here? The phrase, around here, is very natural and means in this local area or nearby. A pharmacy is a store where you can buy medicine. It's a perfect way to ask if something exists in your general vicinity. Where can I find a good restaurant? This question is fantastic because you are not just asking for a location, you are also asking for a recommendation on quality. It's a great way to start a conversation with a local person. Do you know where the train station is? This is another polite way to ask for directions. It's a little softer than, where is the train station, and is very common in everyday, friendly conversation. Is the post office near here? Near here is a simple and direct way to ask if something is close to your current location. It's a yes/no question, so it's a quick way to find out if you need to walk far or not. Where's the nearest ATM? Nearest is the superlative form of near. It means the one that is the absolute closest to you. ATM stands for Automated Teller Machine, the machine you use to get cash. Can you help me find the library? This is a very direct and friendly way to ask for help. It's polite and shows that you are relying on the other person's kindness to assist you. Is there a gas station nearby? Nearby is another great word that means close to here. It's very similar to around here. This is an essential phrase for anyone who is driving. Where is the shopping mall? A shopping mall is a large indoor shopping center with many different stores. This is a perfect question for when you want to do some shopping. How do I get to the airport? This is a very common question when you are trying to find your way to a specific, important location. It's asking for the route or the method of travel. What's the best way to get to downtown? This is a fantastic question because you are asking for the best way, the fastest, the easiest, or the most scenic route. Downtown refers to the main business area of a city. Can you show me the way to the museum? This is a very polite request, especially useful if the other person has a map they can show you. How far is it from here? This is a crucial question to ask after you get directions. It helps you decide if you can walk or if you need to take transportation. Which direction should I go? This is a simple question to ask if you just need a general direction, like north, south, left, or right. Is it within walking distance? This is a great, natural-sounding phrase that means, is it close enough to walk to? It's a very common question for tourists. How long does it take to get there? This is another way to ask about the distance, but in terms of time. The answer might be, it's about a 10-minute walk. Do I need to take a bus? This is a good question to ask if you are unsure about the best mode of transport. You can easily replace bus with train, subway, or taxi. Shadowing practice. Asking for directions. Amazing job! Now that you understand these phrases, let's practice them in our intensive shadowing block. I will say each phrase twice. Repeat after me in each pause. Let's build your muscle memory. Excuse me, where is the bank? Excuse me, where is the bank? Could you tell me where the hospital is? Could you tell me where the hospital is? Is there a pharmacy around here? Is there a pharmacy around here? Where can I find a good restaurant? Where can I find a good restaurant? Do you know where the train station is? Do you know where the train station is? Is the post office near here? Is the post office near here? Where's the nearest ATM? Where's the nearest ATM? Can you help me find the library? Can you help me find the library? Is there a gas station nearby? Is there a gas station nearby? Where is the shopping mall? Where is the shopping mall? How do I get to the airport? How do I get to the airport? What's the best way to get to downtown? What's the best way to get to downtown? Can you show me the way to the museum? Can you show me the way to the museum? How far is it from here? How far is it from here? Which direction should I go? Which direction should I go? Is it within walking distance? Is it within walking distance? How long does it take to get there? How long does it take to get there? Do I need to take a bus? Do I need to take a bus? You can now ask for help with confidence and clarity. But what if you are the local person? Let's switch roles. Part 2. How to give directions. Now, you'll learn how to give directions like a pro. These are the short, clear, and natural phrases that native speakers use all the time. First, we will learn them one by one. Go straight ahead for 2 blocks. Go straight ahead means to continue in the same direction without turning. A block is a common way to measure distance in a city. Turn left at the traffic light. This is a very clear and specific instruction, using a traffic light as a landmark. Take the second right. This means you will pass the first street on your right, and then you will turn right at the second street you come to. It's on your left-hand side. This is a very common way to describe the final location of a place. The left-hand side is the left side of the street. Walk past the coffee shop. To walk past something means to go by it. Using landmarks like a coffee shop makes directions much easier to follow. Cross the street at the crosswalk. A crosswalk is the marked area on the road where pedestrians can safely cross the street. It's next to the big red building. Using landmarks with clear descriptions like colors and sizes is very helpful. Next to means beside. You can't miss it. This is a very common and friendly idiom that you can say at the end of giving directions. It means the place is very easy to see and find. It's about a 5-minute walk. This gives the person an idea of how long the journey will take on foot. About means approximately. Keep going until you see the park. Keep going is a great encouraging phrase that means continue moving forward. Turn right after the bank. This is another effective way to use a landmark. It means you will see the bank first, and then make a right turn. It's across from the school. Across from is a very useful prepositional phrase. It means on the opposite side of the street. Shadowing practice. Giving directions. You did it. Now you know the phrases. Let's practice them in our intensive shadowing block. Repeat after me in each pause. Go straight ahead for 2 blocks. Go straight ahead for 2 blocks. Turn left at the traffic light. Turn left at the traffic light. Take the second right. Take the second right. It's on your left-hand side. It's on your left-hand side. Walk past the coffee shop. Walk past the coffee shop. Cross the street at the crosswalk. Cross the street at the crosswalk. It's next to the big red building. It's next to the big red building. You can't miss it. You can't miss it. It's about a 5-minute walk. It's about a 5-minute walk. Keep going until you see the park. Keep going until you see the park. Turn right after the bank. Turn right after the bank. It's across from the school. It's across from the school. Part 3. Real conversation practice. Now comes the fun part. Let's use these phrases in a real conversation. We will build a full conversation together. I will say each line, and I want you to repeat it after me in the pause. Are you ready? Let's go.
Excuse me, where is the train station?
Go straight ahead for 2 blocks.
How far is it from here?
It's about a 5-minute walk.
Is there a good restaurant nearby?
Yes. Turn left at the traffic light. Walk past the coffee shop. It's on your left-hand side.
How long does it take to get there?
Just 2 minutes. You can't miss it.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Excuse me, where is the train station?
Go straight ahead for 2 blocks.
How far is it from here?
It's about a 5-minute walk.
Is there a good restaurant nearby?
Yes, turn left at the traffic light. Walk past the coffee shop. It's on your left-hand side.
How long does it take to get there?
Just 2 minutes. You can't miss it.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
The final secret. Perfect. You have just mastered 30 essential direction phrases. You are now more confident in both asking for and giving directions in English. We also practiced a real conversation together. Did you notice how naturally your responses sounded as you practiced? And now, for the secret I promised at the beginning. The simple secret that will make you feel confident in any conversation, especially when asking for help, is this. A conversation is not a test, it's a collaboration. When you ask for directions, you are not being tested on your English. You are collaborating with another person to solve a simple problem. They want to help you. They want you to succeed in finding your destination. When you realize that the other person is on your team, that you are working together, the fear of making a mistake starts to disappear. You are not a student being graded. You are a person connecting with another person to achieve a shared goal. Tomorrow is day 6. Another essential life skill that will boost your confidence. Don't break the chain. My challenge to you is to comment below with one phrase you'll use on your next trip. Please like, share, and subscribe to the Wisdom English podcast channel to watch our next videos.